Native, there is no direct link between intelligence and money. Others sell their souls to the devil to be wealthy. Others kill to be rich. There are many intelligent, law-abiding native citizens who live from hand to mouth, and that does not make them idiots. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. Natives not looking to be the richest people in the world, but to live secure and productive normal lives. There are no political salaries that will make politicians multimillionaires. The only way to be one is by taking bribes. Involves selling the people and the nation. You the product. You clearly understand why the displacement in trucking industry and the entire SA economy. Prove to the political elite you are not idiots. You are not a product sold for their personal enrichment. Vote wisely. Remember, your vote will either give them more time to totally remove natives from the economy. Remove them first. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. Madame here. Awesome.